Hello everyone, welcome back to Fun Mathology. Today's topic is divisibility by 11, right? Till date, we have taken up this topic, divisibility test, and we have seen the rules of divisibility of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 9, 10, right? So we are left with divisibility by 11. So today we will take up this rule of divisibility by 11. So step 1 is sum of the digits at odd places. So first of all, what you need to do, if you are given a number, to test its divisibility by 11, you need to sum of all the digits at odd places. So you need to pick up those odd places digits and add them up. In step number 2, you need to sum of all the digits at even places. So you need to pick up those digits at even places and sum and add them up. Now you have a result here and the result here, right? So you have a result here and the result here. You need to, in the step 3, you need to find out the difference of these two results. If the difference is 0 or divisible by 11, then the whole number, the entire number is divisible by 11. Got it? So it's a very simple rule. First of all, sum of the digits at the odd places. Next step is sum of the digits at even places. Step 3 is find out the difference. If the difference is 0 or divisible by 11, then the whole number is divisible by 11. So let us take a number and apply this rule. Let's say we are given a number 501853 and we have been asked to check whether this particular number is divisible by 11 or not. So according to the rule, let's do the step 1. So what is step 1? So 5 plus 1 plus 5. What are they? See, this one and this one. So these one are odd place digits. So we'll add them up. So this comes 11. Next step, step 2. What are you going to do? So we are going to sum of all the digits at even places. So these are the even places. So add them up. 0 plus 8 plus 3, 11. Step 3, we need to find out the difference of these two. So the difference is 0. So got it? So what we said, that if the difference is 0 or divisible by 11, so difference is 0, we got it. So we can easily say the entire number, that is 501853, is divisible by 11. Got it? Very simple. Let's take another number for more clarity. So example 2. So we'll take this number 808181. So again, the simple step 1. So odd places digits, extract them, add them up. So 8 plus 8 plus 8. So this is 24. Next step, find out the even places digits and add them up. So this one will be 2. In step 3, you need to find out the difference between these two. So 24 minus 2 is 22. Now see, 22 is divisible by 11 exactly. So now we can say that the entire number 808181 is divisible by 11. Got it? So this is a very simple rule of divisibility by 11. So we have come across all the possible tests that you might face in your CBSE class 6 curriculum and examination, that is divisibility of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the last one that we have seen today in this lecture is 11. Got it? So I think you're following my lectures. If you have any problem or any questions, so let me know. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. In the next class, we'll try to find out and we'll see what are the different methods to find out the factors of a given number. Got it, students? So in the next class, we'll see methods to find out the factors of a given number. So that is for today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.